Lipotech is proud to present Brighlette Marine Ingredient, a unique lightening treatment that effectively reduces melanin deposition in skin by acting on multiple stages of the pigmentation process. When keratinocytes receive sun radiation, they communicate with melanocytes to induce melanin production. Melanin synthesis takes place inside melanosomes, vesicles that are transported through dendrites and transferred to keratinocytes, where melanin provides pigmentation. Brighlette Marine Ingredient decreases the expression of several receptors in the melanocyte surface that normally activate the regulator MITF, which is responsible for stimulating the production of proteins required for the development of melanosomes and the enzymes that produce melanin. Brighlette Marine Ingredient downregulates the expression of tyrosinase and related melanin-synthesizing enzymes, reducing the pigment inside the melanosomes. Brighlette Marine Ingredient also decreases levels of proteins needed for the formation and maturation of those vesicles, such as melon A. Not only does this lead to fewer melanosomes, but they also contain diminished melanin. Finally, Brighlette Marine Ingredient reduces the transfer of the remaining melanosomes to keratinocytes. The result is a lightening effect after 2 months, with an increased luminance of 2.5% and ITA of 15.3%, and decreased melanin content by 61.1% in hyperpigmented skin, leading to a perfect and even tone.